Good day, viewers. You are welcome. How to solve these nice exponential equations for the value of a. We have 4 to the power a plus 4 to the power a equals 80, and we want to see the value of a here. So we start by considering the solution. So from the given problem, we have 4 to the power of a. So when we take this out, we are left with 1 plus 1 equals 80. Then here is 4 to the power of a multiplied by 1 plus 1, that is 2, equals 80. So by dividing both sides by 2 from here, so we have 2 cancelled 2, then we have 4 power of a equals, so 2 in 80, that is 40. Then in the next step, let's introduce logarithm on both sides. We have log 4 power of a equals log 40, and by this we can apply the rule of log that says, suppose we have log p raised to power n, so this equals n multiplied by log p, and here is the formula we are going to apply. So by applying that here, so we have this becomes a multiplied by log 4 equals log 40. So let's divide both sides by log 4. So by dividing by log 4 here, so we can see that log 4 cancelled log 4. Then we have a equals log 40, and log 40 here, suppose we write it as 4 multiplied by 10 divided by log 4. So this is product log, and when we have log a multiplied by b, so this is equivalent to log a plus log b. So therefore we try to apply this in this step. So here we have a equals log 4 plus log 10 divided by log 4. So when we separate this, we have a equals log 4 divided by log 4 plus log 10 divided by log 4. So when log 4 cancelled log 4, we have a equals 1 plus log 10 divided by log 4. So from here we can still proceed by breaking 10 down, and we can still break 4. So if this is 1 plus log 2 multiplied by 5 divided by log 2 to the power of 2, and that is 4. Then from here you can see that a equals 1 plus, when we separate this, consider it as log 2 divided by 2 log 2 plus log 5 divided by 2 log 2. So I've applied this kind of law above already. So our A here equals 1 plus, so 2 cancel 2. So here is 1 over 2 plus, also from here, we can see 1 over 2 here, multiplied by log 5 divided by log 2. So by this, we have A equals 1 plus 1 over 2, that is 3 over 2 plus 1 over 2 multiplied by, so log 5 divided by log 2, this is given as log 5 base 2. Then we have A equals, so this is 3 plus log 5 base 2 all divided by 2. So this is the solution to this problem, and let's try to check. So we have 4 power of A plus 4 power of A equals 80. So we try to substitute the value of A from here. Or let's say before that, if this is 4, we can write this 4 as 2 to the power of 2A plus 2 to the power of 2A equals 80. And by putting the value of A here is 2 to the power of 2 into bracket of 3 plus log 5 base 2 divided by 2, then plus 2 to the power of 2 into bracket of 3 plus log 5 base 2 divided by 2. I want to show that the whole of this equals 80. So 2 cancel 2 and 2 also cancel 2 from here. Then we see this is 2 power of 3 plus log 5 base 2 plus 2 power of 3 plus log 5 base 2. So here we have 2 power of 3 multiplied by 2 power of log 5 base 2 plus 2 power of 3 multiplied by 2 power of log 5 base 2. So 2 power of 3 here is 8 multiplied by, if this base and this base are the same, we take only this, which is 5, plus also we have 8 multiplied by 5. So this equals 8 times 5, that is 40, plus 8 times 5 is 40. And 40 plus 40 here, that is 80. So it shows that 80 equals to 80 from the left hand side and the right hand side. So this is how to solve this problem. I hope you learned something today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. See you in the next class. Never stop learning. Bye bye.